Shaira, hi.
Hello.
Hi everyone. Today Good Friday and Georgi visit my home today. I not go to Balibago, not filming in Balibago. We will walk with Georgi in our barangay. We will buy watermelon because in our barangay very good watermelon. With Shaira we already bought watermelon, very good. And we will show what happened right now in the barangay. Every Philippine barangays the same. Shaira now in province in Zambales. So I am alone today, but Georgi visit. And we walk, we will show our barangay. Here always barbecue, every evening barbecue. Fish. How much? How much is fish? How much? 150. Okay, one this one.
kay sir, 150. Ano? Ito boss, 180. Yung katabi, 170. Ito, 150. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Georgi, do you want fish? 150 only. You want? Don't want? Mango? Maybe you want mango? Or you want only watermelon?
Yes, watermelon.
Watermelon? Okay. It's a good watermelon for us.
How big?
Maybe 3 kilo maybe.
3 to 4 kilo?
Yeah, 3-4 kilo is okay. Georgi, it's enough? Same size, yes? Yeah, it's okay, any. Just good, need good.
185.
185, okay.
You want me to check? Check if
No, not need, just plastic need.
Are you sure?
Yes. Chanel, we always buy here.
Yellow spot.
No yellow, it's okay. Thai massage. Okay, Georgi, you can start. I don't know, good or not. No, many times we bought and always good watermelon. Looks good. I hope also sweet. Okay, you try first.
It's soft. I think it's soft.
How? Good?
Yes.
Sweet?
Yes.
Today good weather in our place, not so hot because wind. Windy, but in Angeles same or not? Your location you don't know because. But did you walk today in Walking Street? Not? I think don't have people.